For each product in your FBA inventory, there will be a fulfillment fee. This is a flat fee per unit based on the product type, dimension and weight. And there will also be a storage fee. This is charged per cubic foot per month or per measure squared per month based on the number of products you stored. Amazon publishes a rate card for its FBA prices. This can be downloaded from the Amazon site, and I'll put a link in the course notes. If we download the price list, we can see the prices downloaded as a PDF. In this price list, we can see all the prices relating to FBA orders on Amazon. Let's first look at the fulfillment fee per unit. On this price sheet, we have the size of the item down the left and the local fulfillment area at the top. The size of the item is determined when the product is created. You have standard size items, and down here you have oversized items. So if a small envelope below, it is a so-called large letter size in the UK, which has dimensions less than 20 times 15 times 1 centimeters. If that is bought in the UK and sold on the UK, there will be a fulfillment charge of £1.38. If it is bought in France and sold in France, there is a fulfillment fee of €2.24. These local fulfillment fees are also the fees that would be paid on pan-European items. What that means is if you have signed up for pan-European FBA and opted to have your inventory stored locally around Europe, you will get the local fulfillment rate if you have a listing in each of the 4 European countries, so France, Italy, Germany and Spain. The monthly storage fee is covered in the next sheet of the rate card. As you can see, the fee varies by the time of the year, with peak being more expensive, and it also varies by the country. So in the UK it is charged by the square foot, and in the rest of Europe it is charged by the square meter. There is a different charge between standard size products and oversized products. There is also a different fee for storing clothing, shoes and bags and all other categories for standard size products. Bear in mind that Amazon charges something called the long-term storage fee, which is a much higher rate for items which are charged for more than 365 days. Remember that in FBA settings you can set to automatically have items which are going to be charged a long-term storage fee removed before the fee is incurred. As well as the fulfillment and storage fee, there are a number of optional fees that merchants can choose to pay. The first of these is the return fee. If you have too many products in an Amazon fulfillment house, you can choose to have them returned, and Amazon will charge a return fee based on the weight of the item. So in this case, if it's a standard size item and it's up to 200 grams, they will charge 25 pence or 25 euro cents to have it returned. Or if it's 500 to 1000 grams, it will be 45 cents. Cross-border returns are more expensive. If you don't want to get the items back, you can choose to have them disposed, and there is a similar price for that. There's a number of optional services which are listed here. Firstly, there is Amazon's labeling service, which is if you want your products relabeled with a different barcode. You can do that yourself, or you can choose to have Amazon do it, and they'll charge 15 pence or 15 cents for doing that. Amazon has a number of standards for how products need to be delivered to them. So for example, items cannot be opened, so if you have an open box it needs to be bagged, and Amazon will charge a cost per unit to do this. So you can either make sure that your products are already prepared before they're sent through and then they won't be charged, or you can just send them in and Amazon will do them for you and then charge it back to you. Finally, on the rate card, there is a different schedule of fees for multi-channel fulfillment. This is where you use Amazon to fulfill orders which have not been purchased on Amazon. This is more expensive than fulfilling orders for Amazon. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.